my name is Stephanie Mearse with Desert Capital Management Group.
I'm Kelsey Markham with Desert Capital Management Group.
And we are a registered investment advisory firm that primarily works in private equity. And that's why we're here at this amazing conference that is all about raising funds for smaller companies, also known as private equity. I want to go into a little bit about some opportunities that we specifically were talking about here today. And one is into Pacifico Oil and Gas, and they're going to be up and speaking in about 30 minutes, which is really exciting. But I would love my colleague to talk a little bit about the oil and gas deal.
Yeah, definitely. So Pacifico Oil and Gas is based out of Louisiana, Oklahoma, and Texas primarily. It's a $15 million offering, $2 per share, and that's a Series A convertible stock. And it's pretty interesting. It's got 3D seismic while still being a relatively small oil and gas company. And they're looking at going to IPO, maybe merger acquisition, or an institutional buyout in the future. So very, very exciting stuff.
Absolutely. And they also have a 1x return plus a 10% dividend per year. So it's a win-win situation for all of our investors. The other opportunity we have right now is in a marketing company. It's an international marketing company called Bridge Marketing. Do you want to talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, definitely. So Bridge Marketing is also a licensing company, and they've worked with a lot of really large companies like Wells Fargo, Coca-Cola. They work primarily in Latin America and doing entertainment and sports. But they also recently acquired the licensing for Diego Maradona, one of the most famous soccer players of all time. So very, very exciting things, and they're already in talks with some large companies for purchasing rights for the licensing.
Which is really exciting. And I also know they're working on a movie too, actually, for Maradona, which is kind of fun. I don't know about you guys, but I'm looking forward to the World Cup that's coming up. Oh, yeah. That's going to be part of our jam. But that's part of what we do here at Desert Capital Management Group is private equity, but we also work in the public equity. So if you want to give us a call at any time, just look us up at Desert Capital Management Group.